Hello everyone, this is Joan from Kanen Coffee, and today we have a Pavoni Europiccola with fits in the shop, and it came in just for a general tune-up maintenance on this machine. Also, we did have to replace the switch because the older switch actually had given out. It wasn't powering on the machine, and it just wasn't letting the machine fully operate right. And so we had to replace it, but after replacing it, the machine's working really well. So we're just going to quickly put this portafilter in with new coffee. Since this is a new gasket, it is a little tight to put on, but the more you use it and the more you allow the coffee to kind of wear down, the more it should fit more perfectly. But just since it's a new one, it's a little bit on the harder side. I'm gonna put a little rag here just because this thing come with a drip tray, so I can rest my cup and in case any spillage. Usually you have a little drip tray, whether that's metal or plastic, to kind of hold your cup up. Since we don't have that, we're just going to leave that there. And we're going to brew shot. So to start with these machines, you want to pull the lever all the way up, and then you feel a suction at the top. And that's how you know water's pushing through. You want to let it sit up there for quite a few seconds before you start to pull down. Now don't worry about this shot if it runs a little too fast or a little too slow. We don't calibrate the grinders to these machines. And so I think I put a little too much coffee in there just because of how long it's taking to brew the shot. But that's perfectly fine as long as you have your grinder calibrated at home. It should work perfectly. I'm going to let that shot just sit there because all that pressure in the group head is still inside of the group head, and you don't want to try to take that out without letting it kind of depressurize out. If you do, what you're going to find is that the group head is going to have all this pressure buildup. When you take the portafilter off, it's going to sneeze, or all the pressure is going to quickly release, pushing a bunch of coffee into your group head, which is not what you want. You usually want to let your shot sit there for 30 seconds to a minute or even longer, depending on how long you want to wait, and just let the coffee drip. And there's that shot for you. Again, don't worry about how it came out. It's mainly just a grind issue, and since we didn't calibrate it to this grinder or this machine, we were going to run into that. That was on the one setting, which is kind of, keep it warm, good for, espresso shots. But now that we're going to ramp it up to 2 so that we can see the steam power. This machine doesn't have a pressure stat. This is an older machine, a pre-millennium. And pretty much what that means is that the machine doesn't have any way of turning on and turning off when it's up to pressure, so you have to do it manually. So we're just going to let it pressurize, and then we're going to click it to 1. We're just going to open the steam one, and you're going to see a lot of steam coming out right through the side. That's about it for this repair. If you like this video or any of our other repairs on our channel, leave a like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Thanks for watching.